6 trim levels, 4 powertrains, and a price gap wider than most people expect. The 2027 GMC Sierra 1500 is a completely redesigned full-size truck that raises the bar on every front. Whether you're hauling equipment 5 days a week or crossing state lines in total comfort, there's a version of this truck built for exactly that. The question is, knowing which one, because buying one trim higher than you need could cost you $20,000 more for features you'll never touch. Number 6. Pro. The Pro is the Sierra stripped to its purpose. No luxury extras, no off-road theater. This is the truck that gets driven hard and doesn't flinch. Starting price is expected to come in around $45,000, aimed squarely at fleet buyers and anyone who measures a truck's worth in hours worked, not badge prestige. The powertrain of choice here is the 2.7-liter TurboMax 4-cylinder paired with a 10-speed automatic. Rear-wheel drive comes standard with 4-wheel drive available. Most buyers at this level are putting real miles on this truck daily, and they don't need a touchscreen that takes 3 taps to adjust the temperature. They need controls that work with gloves on. Physical controls handle the climate functions. A 16.3-inch central touchscreen brings wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the updated MultiPro tailgate adds bed versatility that pays off at any work site. The interior is vinyl and cloth, built to be cleaned, not coddled. The Pro does exactly what it's designed to do without apology. But the moment personal taste enters the picture, the Elevation is already waiting with a completely different answer. Number 5. Elevation. Where the Pro's all business, the Elevation is where the 2027 Sierra starts taking on a different personality. This is the trim for buyers who use their truck on weekdays and want it to feel like a proper vehicle on weekends. It sits above the Pro in price, estimated to come in around $52,000, and the gap between the two shows up immediately, both inside and out. Visually, the Elevation arrives wearing a blacked-out appearance package with dark exterior accents, unique wheel designs, and a more aggressive street presence than the utilitarian Pro. The interior shifts to an after-dark color scheme, giving the cabin a dark, cohesive look that reads as intentional rather than default. Plenty of truck buyers want a vehicle that reflects something about who they are, not just what they haul. The blacked-out exterior and after-dark interior are doing exactly that, packaging the Sierra's full capability inside a truck that draws a second look in any parking lot. Cloth and Cortex seating surfaces fill the seats, physical controls stay in place for climate functions, and the 2.7-liter TurboMax remains the standard engine, with both V8s available as upgrades. What the Elevation is really selling is presence at a price point that doesn't require choosing between the truck and everything else in the budget. But for buyers whose weekends involve something rougher than a highway on-ramp, the AT4 is where this lineup gets genuinely serious about terrain. Number 4. AT4. The AT4 is where the 2027 Sierra takes a hard left turn toward genuine capability. This isn't a trim that dresses up for the trail, it's built for it from the factory, estimated around $70,000. What that money buys is a truck configured to handle terrain that would stop the lower trims cold. Factory suspension lift, locking rear differential, and skid plates protecting the undercarriage arrive as standard equipment. Think about what it means to take a truck somewhere genuinely rough. Loose rock, uneven grade, a trail that drops away on one side. Without skid protection and a locking differential, that trip ends before it starts. The AT4 is engineered so none of those scenarios catch the driver off guard straight from the factory floor. Inside, mahogany wood trim, perforated leather upholstery, enhanced seat bolstering, and a flat-bottom steering wheel frame a cockpit that feels purposeful rather than merely comfortable. The panoramic sunroof is standard, and the Forest Storm with Alpine Lake Accents colorway connects the cabin's identity directly to where this truck is built to go. The AT4 handles serious terrain without sacrificing refinement. But if the trail on your list requires expedition-grade hardware, the AT4X is carrying capability that makes the AT4 look like the starting point it actually is. Number 3. AT4X. The AT4X doesn't ask whether you're serious about off-roading. It assumes you are, and it comes fully prepared. At around $83,000, this is the most purpose-built variant in the Sierra 1500 lineup. 35-inch Goodyear Wrangler Territory MT tires, a 2-inch suspension lift, Multimatic jounce bumpers, the same technology found on the Ferrari Purosangue and Ford Mustang GTD, and both front and rear electronically locking differentials make up the core hardware package. Anyone who has pushed a truck hard over loose terrain knows what happens when traction disappears from the front axle at the wrong moment. The truck goes sideways, momentum takes over, and recovery becomes the only priority. The electronic locking differentials exist specifically to prevent that, distributing power where the ground is tires giving grip and keeping the truck pointed in the right direction. Combined with the Multimatic suspension, this is a truck that stays composed where others start falling apart. The cabin carries timber mahogany with bright white accents, premium full-grain leather, stainless steel speaker grills, and abundant stitching. The 3.0-liter Duramax turbodiesel, 305 horsepower and 495 pound-feet of torque, pairs naturally with this trim's low-speed demands. The AT4X is the Sierra's most complete off-road offering, but Denali buyers aren't chasing trails. They're after something else entirely, and the next trim is built around a completely different set of priorities. Number 2. Denali. The Denali represents GMC's clearest expression of premium truck ownership, and the 2027 version is pushing that further than any previous generation. Starting around $71,000, this trim cross-shops against luxury vehicles while still delivering full-size truck capability. Machined grille inserts and 22-inch wheels separate the Denali from everything below it immediately. The interior arrives in one of 3 colorways: After Dark with sapphire blue accents, Terra Summit with bright white accents, or Twilight Harbor with bright white accents, more personalization than any other Sierra trim. Leather upholstery and open-pore wood trim bring warmth and refinement to the dashboard. Buyers spending Denali money are spending long stretches inside this cabin. Highway miles, early mornings, end-of-day commutes after a full shift. That time adds up. The Denali's interior is built with exactly that reality in mind. Materials that still feel premium after a year of daily use rather than showing age by the first winter. The 16.3-inch infotainment screen articulates to reveal a hidden storage cubby behind it. A 12.2-inch digital instrument cluster sits behind the wheel, and an 11.5-inch passenger display with articulating privacy cover rounds out the tech package. The Denali makes a strong case at every level, but it's also the trim that makes the Denali Ultimate's additions feel less like excess and more like the logical conclusion of everything GMC has been building toward. Number 1. Denali Ultimate. At the top of the lineup sits the Denali Ultimate, and the distance between this truck and everything below it is substantial. Pricing is expected to reach around $88,000, placing it directly alongside premium luxury SUVs. The question GMC is answering here is simple: what does a full-size truck look like when every concession has been removed? 5 displays and more than 60 inches of combined screen real estate answer that question from the moment the door opens. The 16.3-inch infotainment screen, 12.2-inch instrument cluster, 11.5-inch passenger display, 15-inch head-up display, and 8.5-inch digital rearview mirror create a cabin environment unlike anything previously offered in a pickup truck. Long highway miles demand more than a comfortable seat. Fatigue sets in on empty stretches of road, and the gap between arriving alert and arriving exhausted is often a question of how much the truck is helping. That's where the standard 3-year Super Cruise subscription earns its place. Hands-free driving with trailering support, actively reducing workload on the routes where it matters most. The interior carries a stealth black with bright white accents finish, open-pore birchwood trim, heated and ventilated front seats, 16-way power adjustment, and a 16-speaker Bose audio system. The 6.6-liter V8 best-in-class power across the Sierra lineup is the natural powertrain choice with towing capability to match every premium specification this truck carries. The 2027 GMC Sierra 1500 arrives with a clear answer for every kind of truck buyer. The Pro keeps costs in check without cutting the capability that makes a full-size truck worth owning. The elevation adds style for buyers who want more than function from their daily driver. The AT4 brings factory trail hardware to buyers who actually use it. And the AT4X takes that capability further than most trucks at any price can match. The Denali pivots toward long-haul refinement and premium materials, and the Denali Ultimate puts everything GMC knows how to build into a single package. New V8 engines, a redesigned interior, and a technology suite unlike anything this nameplate has offered before. The new Sierra certainly looks appealing, but if you don't necessarily need that kind of luxury in a pickup truck, then you definitely want to check out our video about the 2027 Chevrolet Silverado you can now see on the screen. It shares the mechanics with the Sierra, but it's more focused on work and less on convenience.